Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Indominus Rex from Jurassic World. He's going to be roaring, and it's going to be a headshot. That's pretty much it. You can follow this step by step. It's kind of intermediate, I would say, but you could, if you're a beginner, definitely try it out with me, all right? So let's get started over here. It's going to be open mouth. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to draw the front of the snout of the Indominus Rex. Pull back for the rest of the snout here. Down over here, up, line up here, down. He's got kind of like that spike at the. He's got two spikes, but that's like one, just like a rectangular one. Pulling down here, down a little bit more. And for the most part, I'm going to draw a line down here for the back of the bottom of the neck here, and it's going to pull back. So his eye is going to be over here somewhere. Let's go over here in this area and draw his eye right below the kind of that horn. Curve over here for one side of the eye, the top. Curve underneath for the other side of the eye. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like Jurassic World. I'm a huge fan. If you want more drawings from that, if you want more drawing lessons, absolutely let me know by doing that. A line underneath here for the eye. On the top here. Down over here. It's kind of the top of that eye. He's got a slit pupil, so there's going to be a line across there. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw tooth. 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 Tooth, 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 tooth. You got these sharp teeth that kind of spread apart. They have these big gaps in between. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the kind of mouth area, because he doesn't really have lips. That's a thing. They just kind of they sink into the upper jaw there. He doesn't really have lips. Makes them look a lot more menacing when they have no lips. Let's go over here for the nostril toward the front, and I'm going to just draw a line over here at the front. Go over here to the back side. Down over here. Line. Down over here, a line. And we're just kind of drawing the lines in the back here. Curve line over here for that ear. Curve, curve. Line over here, kind of just like throwing a line around that horn. Over here, in. Line here, open mouth. Curve underneath. So this is that skin part when somebody opens their mouth, like no, it's somebody when a lizard opens its mouth. So it's going to be small lines here, just kind of showing the folds of that skin flap. Line over here underneath for the lower jaw. Finding the edge of the lower jaw. Underneath, pull up, down, up. Pulling it up over here for the throat. Down over here, and then kind of finding that area over here. Line. Tooth. Tooth. Remember, these are pretty spaced out. Gonna go in the back over here. Line here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the tongue on the inside. Right there. He has a lot of these frills coming from the top of his head. I know he was kind of known for that. So 1, 2, they're kind of separated out. 3, they're on the back. They go from the back of his head down the upper part of his neck. And they get smaller about here. And they kind of just keep going. he has these small spikes along his side. Line over here, line over here, line there, line over here at the jaw. That's pretty much it. What you can do now is throw little lines like this, like little curved lines, to indicate what you're doing is you're indicating texture. You know, same thing over here. You're indicating texture. And if you really want, you can kind of fill in the back area here. You know, the back of the mouth there. You don't even have to fill in all of it. You can do this. You can put dark, and then it kind of leads into that. And I'm just drawing these thin lines to kind of make it seem more like a shadow. And that's it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You guys are amazing. Recommend something else scary to draw, or maybe monstrous to draw, and I will make it happen. Monstrous. All right. Talk to you later. See ya. Don't forget, like I said, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Make today the day that you subscribe. I post every single day, at least through the week. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later. And hopefully I'll catch you over there later.